not a snake popping off that. It's like a snake or a cobra or something. Oh, just... BMW 2008 135. It's got misfire in cylinder number 2, 3, and 6. To make the long story short, the injectors, they are index 07. They're supposed to be they're supposed to be 11 and higher. Is index right here. So this is 12. So this is a updated injector. So we're going to change number 2, 3, and 6. I advised the customer to change all of them, but he refused because the rest of them, they're index 9. I mean, they're still going to go out eventually, but for now, only 3. They're absolutely bad. So. So, obviously every time you open the fuel system, it's going to squirt everywhere. Now, I recommend do not open any doors, because if you do, you wake up the car and then the fuel pump is going to prime itself and it's just going to start shooting again. So, make sure, because I had one a couple weeks ago. A good buddy of mine did the same thing and the car just kept spraying everywhere. So, yeah. The tips is going to be after you install them. Now when you put the new ones back, look at that. Coincidentally, we have misfire 2, 3, and 6, and this is index number 7. Okay, so before you put them, I mean, I can look at the numbers still. I mean, I got access to the numbers, but you need to write down the numbers, because they need to be reprogrammed. And don't forget the washer. So basically this is junk. I'm gonna save it for the customer just in case. And don't forget to take this one, because I remember at my previous job somebody forgot to take this one off and it was a pain to pull it back out. And he's like, why my injector doesn't go all the way in? Dumbass, did you pull the cap off? Nope. Okay, that's why. There you go. And then write down the index. This is 556. 245. And then it's going to be number 2. I better. This goes there. And this goes here. Again, remove the cap. So barely hold it with pliers, because it comes out super easy. So this is going to be 273. 232. And this is going to be number 3. I'm just gonna pull number 1 real quick because I forgot to put the washer. Don't forget your washer. I did. Grab this, and we need to register the injectors. Very smooth. Okay, so we're gonna go hot functions, then injector. So each injector has its own number. We're gonna go number 2. Okay. Then we're gonna go 256. 245. I'm gonna go OK, and then another cylinder. Yes, we're gonna go number 3, and then we're gonna go 273, 232. We're gonna go one more. We're gonna go number 6. 575, 211. Much smoother. Just put the plastics on and done. This is pretty straightforward. I mean, you can do it into your garage. I mean, everybody can do it actually. But make sure you always register your injectors. Otherwise, it's not going to run properly. So, yeah, wash my hands and then go for a ride. trying to squeeze pretty much everything out because this is my absolute favorite. This is awesome. This is the best hand soap I've ever seen. This is pretty much number one rule every time you're done with the job and before you get into the customer's car. Always wash your hands. It has to be spotless. It's not pleasant. Customer complain about the fingerprints. So I bought this one when I ran out of options because when I opened up I had this X5 with a N55 engine. And trust me, those small injectors there pretty much stuck in there. So I had to come up with a solution. So I bought this one on Amazon and I welded the screw to the vice grip. So I can use any vice grip now, any Mac vice grip, and it worked awesome. It saved my life. So like this. These N54 injectors, the big ones, they come out super easy. You can actually use even a pry bar, that will come right out. But the smaller ones, they're in there for good.